Welcome to Grow My Saving. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and most underrated secrets of wealth, starting early. It's not about having a huge salary or being a financial genius. It's about giving your money the one thing it truly needs: time. Because the earlier you start investing, the less you actually have to do later. Your money begins to grow on its own, quietly and steadily, through something called compound growth. In this episode, we'll unpack how starting early changes everything, how much waiting really cost you, and what you can still do if you didn't start early. Let's start with the concept that builds millionaires quietly: compound interest. Imagine you invest $200 a month at age 25, earning an average of 8% per year. By 55, you'll have around $227,000. But if you wait until age 35 to start, you'll have only about $100,000 at the same age. That's over double the money just because you started 10 years earlier. Why? Because compounding isn't linear, it's exponential. Your money earns returns, and then those returns start earning more returns. It's like planting a tree. At first, it grows slowly, but once it matures, it produces fruit every season without extra effort. The earlier you plant the seed, the bigger your forest grows. Many people delay investing because they think, I'll start when I make more money. But waiting comes with a hidden price tag: the cost of lost time. Every year you wait, you lose not just the money you could have invested, but all the growth that money could have earned for decades. Think of it this way: if you start at 25, your money might grow for 40 years before retirement. Start at 35, and you've already lost a quarter of that time. So even if you can only invest a small amount, it's better to start small today than to wait for the perfect time, because perfect timing rarely comes. Remember, you can't make up lost time, but your money can make up for lost income if you give it time to grow. Let's look at a simple story. Anna starts investing $200 a month at age 25 and stops after 10 years. She's put in $24,000 total. Ben waits until age 35, then invests $200 a month for 20 years, twice as long as Anna. He's put in $48,000 total. At age 55, Anna still has more money than Ben. Why? Because Anna's money had more time to compound. Her early start gave her a massive head start that no amount of catching up could fully close. That's the real secret to wealth. It's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Now, maybe you're thinking, yeah, great, but I didn't start early. Here's the good news: it's not too late. The second best time to start is today. You can still build wealth by investing consistently, even small amounts, increasing contributions when your income grows, avoiding lifestyle creep. Don't let your spending grow faster than your earnings. Focusing on long-term goals, not quick wins. Starting late means you'll have to be more strategic, but consistency still wins. The earlier you begin, the more freedom your future self will have. Starting early isn't just about more money, it's about less stress. It gives you flexibility, peace of mind, and the freedom to take risks later because your foundation is already strong. When you start early, you let time and patience become your greatest assets. Thanks for watching Grow My Saving. Remember, wealth isn't built overnight, it's built over time. Start early, stay consistent, and let compounding do the heavy lifting for you. In our next episode, we'll talk about the power of consistency in investing, how small, regular steps lead to big results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help more people start their journey early too.